This broccoli salad is great to make for family gatherings or church dinners, which is actually what I'm making this for, is a church dinner. So I started out with 2 heads of broccoli. We're just going to cut the florets, and then you're going to separate them. You want to have them as tiny as you can get them, the pieces. I find that the salad is much more pleasant to eat that way. Now you can mix this in a separate bowl and then put it in the nice dish that you're taking along with you, but I actually am making this in the dish that I'm going to take with me, but we'll clean that dish up later. And it's going to look like this. And then you'll need some cranberries, just some craisins. This is a 6-ounce bag, which is plenty. And then you'll need some sunflower kernels. We are going to add 1/4 cup of those sunflower kernels to this. Mix this together. Want to do this the night before like I'm doing, or the day before, just go ahead and put some saran wrap on this, because we are going to add some wet ingredients and I don't want that to sit overnight. You want to add your wet ingredients, let it chill about 2 hours before you serve it. Okay, so this is the next morning and I'm going to take the saran wrap off. And the evening before, I also fried a 1/2 pound of bacon. I put that in the refrigerator as well, and you want to make sure you get your bacon crispy. And this is the next morning, and I just went ahead and crumbled it in to the salad. Now you'll need some mayonnaise, and we are going to add about a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And I just guess at this, guys. Now we're going to add the same amount of ranch dressing. Again, I'm guessing, so that's about a 1/2 cup. And because I used pork bacon and I'm allergic to it, I had to get my husband to taste this. He tasted it and he said it needed a little bit more ranch. So I just added a little bit more ranch. And then just for good measure, I added another tablespoon of mayo to this. Also, typically I add a purple onion to this when we have family gatherings, but I was in a hurry Sunday morning and I forgot to add my purple onion to this. But one of my friends reminded me that not everybody likes onions, the texture of onions, and that's so true. And this went over well. We had so much food, and I don't think anybody paid any attention to that. Now you do want to mix this really well. You don't want your sunflower seeds to be at the very bottom of it. And then I had to clean my bowl up where I used the same bowl that I mixed it in to take with me. But that's okay. You can do that. And this turned out great. It usually is a hit at all the gatherings. But we had so much food. It was just unreal. Some of the best cooks. And voila, isn't that pretty? Now, you guys, you need to try this. I have made this for myself with turkey bacon, and it is so delicious. And you know what? I'm not a fan of broccoli, but I like it like this.